Mamema wakwaba emfa ombra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wodo nsa emia bell ne so ubenya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenya bia tie anase ubenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha medin e de adwoa search Kamia kwayese His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo sizie wabre why fed up because Ghana for ye kasa too much. Nienti ameka say na say His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo ama eye Aflao ohene oho wama no reply afa eye yi blogs o man peninda that His Excellency Nana Danko sorry o man peninda that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama esisi ansana ofi abemu na reply His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo ede ama Aflao chief ina ne say the Aflao chief no ohwe na say wabre na yi blocks now man peninda da John Dramani Mahama SCB ewo Aflao no se enye complete na obetumi a ontumi ento aso na ontumi ema education minister ultimatum se chinchana ombeto school ne so anase bibisa na de nti a eye His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo e de sa reply na e by eye anape okopie mu ewo Peace FM despite media eye owura kwame sefa kan ni program awatu ni din kokroko so na discussion omo eye na owura kwame sefa kan ebisa no about e-blogs man peninda da His Excellency John Dramani Mahama SCC na no Nana Addo e kire se obai wa complete bebre na eno owura kwame sefa kan e kire se example ba ko betumi ama Aflao chief or the abetudwa say o ma education minister February by the end of February so owie yi blog na wo Aflao no neno na o man pani na nado kire say na ohi aden tumi be na wo say utumi catch education minister say o man February say obewie na ohen no hwe na say wa bra obetumi atoa so ana so obetumi esi school no atoa so na aye complete say na be ya emofro mo ho ebetumi akọ school na yenti ensema His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo Addo ede etudwa
which shows you that the allegation that we have abandoned the road projects that we came to head is difficult.
How about the e-blocks?
Many of them, I think I'll find an opportunity to send you that many of them are being worked on across the country.
Let me just take one, Mr. President. The one in Aflao where the chief himself has complained. Ohini wa Aflao patch say e-block no oba yenya hoshi. Inti on my education minister up to February say ombe yehu bibi. It's on
the minister ultimatum.
Also abre.
And onko ye.
Wabre. Inti obisa no then I'll back every out of frustration ebi okasa.
Many bi wo ho when bia so no ye boabo ye ho ni aye. As much as possible. I've given you these examples to let you see that on the contrary, despite the propaganda, because one of the things that I suspect there's a deficit on our part is our ability to counter the propaganda. The propaganda takes over the reality of so many aspects of our national life. It's a pity, but we will continue.
Is it not because you have a weak communications team?
I don't want to think of it. I think
you've been accused of that. Say yes. MPP more communication, you're poor, you're weak. You're doing good, but nobody's hearing about it.
But people are feeling it. The people in the various areas of life are feeling it, are responding to it.
Would you improve on your communications team?
What aspect of national life can you not improve? What aspect of political engagement can you not improve? You can improve it. But at the same time, too, virulent propaganda has its own power. And that is the phenomenon that my government has been facing. So we're talking about the hospitals.
Yes.
Is another area where I'm alleged to have abandoned the hospitals. The Eurojet project is presented as if it was a project initiated by the Mahama government. It is not true. The Eurojet project was initiated by the Akufo administration. Before President Akufo left office, that whole project was on.
You know, who shall say uncle did the penny at it shows you how stupid such an old person is. And that is why I categorize Omo Mudi Chini Jonas in actually say Omo ya beifu Jimmy for abodam for Nyansa ye frame Nyansa Omu Nibi no Munya bisu da kopim do mewu. Obia o support to Chini Jonas. Obia o ye Chini Jonas fan. Obia Chini Jonas is your main, you know. When ye kwasia ye so kwasia ebi entumi nketri se kwasia we ase nyina no ye pie ni na de ma, especially if you are 30 years and above and you support Chili Jonas here. Not only are you a fool, your mother is a fool, your father is a fool, your sisters are foolish, your face is foolish, your whole entire family and your whole entire generation omo ye mo asefo put here American me say. If you are above 30, because above 30, they win in Ghana kakra. Above 30, there you know how Ghana started. Above 30, there at least over two Jerry John Rollins amembo. And to we a Chini Jonas. Now so we are from 30 and above going now. Not only are you a fool, kwasi ampeni wa busi afo wa sifo ni no. We are kwasi ase wa ya wa gene say untie nyansa. Na sa wo obi te say mumu ninom Abdulaziz mumu nimu akwasi ampafo na wo mo ma me no mo adi hia bodam ade adi hia na ohia bubro abafo mutirim enti o ma ya jinifo na you will come on my platform and speak stupidness. Me see week we fire o Abdulaziz mumuni, when people are mumu like you, like your name mumuni say we mumu awadwene eni ho wano a enkasa we mumu oba me meka say mu a mumu ni obi a won tia won sign kasa enti we mumu ni nti no you are displaying your stupid mumuni on my page. Abdulaziz esansa we yakwasia na wudin a yede to wo have implication on your life. Esansa we abua na wudin a yede wo have implication of your life ni nti no we be gina me page so say wudin the mumuni ampa wo ye mumufo ni ama. Uye mumufo ni ama. What you say? Me say na djuma mi be di mo no. Na me say me hu say Ghana mo bebre na especially penifo no. Ene wo mo atu kwan kwa buruchire no. Wo mo ye jimifo abodamfo akwase ampafo na me say afa na mate ase e die ntia omu bie store enche na egu no. Me say aburuchire fo no afa na mate ase e die ntia wo mu bie bojo store kura na egu no because say papa pemi ete say wo say Chili Jonas na ekire wo nyansa de na ekire say nyansa abo te say de adonso abo akoko. So we papa